This tutorial shows you how to encrypt and secure folder directly through the folder properties on your PC. First, locate the folder you want to lock on your Windows PC. After that, right-click on the folder to open the context menu. From there, tap on Properties to open the Folder Properties window. At this point, make sure you're on the General tab and tap on the Advanced button at the bottom. In the next step, you'll see a section that says Compress or Encrypt Attributes. Following this, look for the option that says Encrypt Contents to Secure Data and take the checkbox to enable it. Once done, tap OK and then Apply to save your changes. From here, if the Encrypt Contents to Secure Data option is grayed out, you'll need to enable a Windows service first. Click on the Start button and search for Services. At this stage, scroll through the list and look for Encrypting File System, which is also known as EFS. After this, right-click on it and tap on Properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and then click Start to enable the service. Once completed, click Apply and OK to save the changes, then restart your PC. Finally, after your PC restarts, go back to the folder properties and you'll find that the Encrypt Contents to Secure Data option is now available to use. And that's it. If this Windows guide helped you lock and encrypt your folder, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.